Hi guys, here 36 minus 9 is 27 divided by 3 times 3 minus 1 in bracket whole square plus 6. Here 27 divided by 3 is 9 times 3 minus 1 in bracket whole square plus 6. Here 9 times 3 minus 1 is 2 square plus 6. Here 9 times 2 power 2 is 4 plus 6. Here 9 times 4 is 36 plus 6. Here 36 plus 6 is 42 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 42 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication and divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 36 minus 9 divided by 3 times here 3 minus 1 is 2 square plus 6. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here which is 2 power 2. So we have to do this 2 power 2 before this operation here. 36 minus 9 divided by 3 times 2 power 2 is 4 plus 6. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 9 divided by 3. So we have to do this before this operation here. 36 minus 9 divided by 3 is 3 times 4 plus 6. Here we have subtraction, multiplication and addition. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 36 minus 3 times 4 is 12 plus 6. Here we have addition and subtractions. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 36 minus 12. 36 minus 12 is 24 plus 6. Here 24 plus 6 is 30 is the correct answer.